Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Marks. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In today's session of trigonometry, we have prove the following identity: secant to the power of 4 theta into 1 minus sine power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Here we can write the LHS as secant to the power of 4 theta minus secant power 4 theta into sine power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. In the next step, we can write secant power 4 theta minus sine power 4 theta by cos power 4 theta. This secant power 4 theta can be written as 1 by cos power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Secant power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Now let us write secant power 4 theta as secant square theta the whole to the power of 2 minus tan power 4 theta as it is minus 2 tan square theta as it is. And secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta the whole square which can be expanded as 1 square plus tan to the power of 4 theta plus 2 tan square theta in the next step. And let us write tan power 4 theta as it is minus 2 tan square theta as it is. Now few terms gets cancelled and we have 1 which is equal to RHS, hence proved. The next problem is cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. We can write cot theta as cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. So bringing out cos theta, we get 1 by sin theta minus 1 by, in the denominator also bringing out cos theta, we get 1 by sin theta plus 1 within the brackets. So cos theta gets cancelled and we know that 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. So we have cosecant theta minus 1 in the numerator and cosecant theta plus 1 in the denominator, which is RHS. Hence we have proved the theorem. The next problem we have here is sin A minus sin B by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B is equal to 0. Let us cross multiply and take the LCM as cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. In the numerator, we have it is in the form A minus B into A plus B, which can be written as sin squared A, that is A squared minus B squared form, sin squared A minus sin squared B plus cos squared A minus cos squared B. And in the denominator, we can write it as it is cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. In the numerator, we can write sin squared A plus cos squared A together and bringing out negative sign, we can write sin squared b plus cos squared b together. We know the identity sin squared plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So in the numerator we get 1 minus 1 by the denominator. So we get the answer as 0. Which is RHS. Hence proved. The next problem we have here is sin cube a plus cos cube a by sin a plus cos a plus sin cube a minus cos cube a by sin a minus cos a is equal to 2. Let us recollect these identities. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Using these identities, let us write sin cube a plus cos cube a as sin a plus cos a the whole cube minus 3 sin a cos a into sin a plus cos a, and we have sin a plus cos a in the denominator, plus in the second part we have sin cube a minus cos cube a, which can be written as sin a minus cos a the whole cube plus 3 sin a cos a into sin a minus cos a the whole divided by, in the denominator we have sin a minus cos a. Now we can cancel sin a plus cos a, which we have both in the numerator and denominator. So we get sin a plus cos a the whole squared here minus 3 sin a cos a. Now in the second part we can cancel sin a minus cos a, which we have both in the numerator and denominator. So we get sin a minus cos a the whole square plus 3 sin a cos a. Now 3 sin a cos a gets cancelled. One is minus and the other is plus. So we have sin a plus cos a the whole square, which can be expanded as sin squared a plus 2 sin a cos a plus cos squared a, and sin a minus cos a the whole square can be expanded as sin squared a 2 sin a cos a plus cos squared a. Here minus 2 sin a cos a plus 2 sin a cos a gets cancelled. So we get sin squared a plus cos squared a, which is 1, and another sin squared a plus cos squared a, which is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is RHS. Hence we have proved the theorem. Hope the session was interesting.